In this video, we're going to explore the Report Center. Up on your menu bar, you're going to choose the word Report, and then click on your first option, which is Report Center. The Report Center is going to have a variety of reports that are available to you that you can either utilize from what Quickbooks has offered you, or you can actually set up your own different types of reports. You have 5 different options. You have the standard reports, you have memorized reports, you have favorites, you have recent reports, which there's nothing recent that's been reviewed, and then there's contributor reports. The contributor reports are reports that have been submitted for other people within the community that a lot of QuickBooks users such as yourself have found very helpful and want to share the information with the rest of the community. So here you can take a look at by specific industry, you know, if there's something that you've been trying to figure out, like accounting or bookkeeping or automotive sales or repair, you can kind of take a look at those. They have different ways you can sort them. Most popular, highly rated, created by Intuit, community created, or newly shared. And here in this example, you're seeing that there's been over 23,000 reports that have been shared. For more videos like this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.